Introducing the Handheld Massager, the perfect solution for soothing self-massage. Say goodbye to pain and tension in your shoulders, arms, hips, back, and legs with this ergonomic design. The gently curved massager reaches those hard-to-reach areas with ease, providing relief where you need it most. With 6 unique massage attachments, including shiatsu, deep tissue, joint, large areas, and overall deep massage, you can customize each session to suit your needs. Choose from 5 massage modes and adjust the intensity levels to create the perfect massage experience. The portable, cordless design makes it easy to use at home or on the go, while the long-lasting lithium-ion battery ensures you can enjoy a relaxing massage whenever you need it. Rechargeable with the included charging cable, the handheld massager is the ultimate tool for relaxation and pain relief.